Ease into English. Mastering the phrase, ease into. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase, ease into. This phrase is used quite often in both written and spoken English, and understanding it can help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and ease into our lesson for today. The phrase, ease into, is a phrasal verb that means to gradually begin or enter into something. It's about making a slow and careful transition into a new situation or condition. Think about slowly getting into a hot bath or gently starting a new habit. When you ease into something, you take your time, there's no rush. Examples in sentences. After his vacation, Mark had to ease into working full-time again. She decided to ease into retirement by working part-time. By using this phrase, you convey the idea of a gentle and gradual approach to a new state or activity. Ease into can be used in various contexts. Let's look at some. Lifestyle changes. When you're making a big change in your life, like starting a new diet or exercise routine, you might want to ease into it to make the transition smoother. Work and education. In work or school, if you're taking on a new role or starting a new subject, you might ease into your new responsibilities to ensure you don't become overwhelmed. Relationships and social settings. When meeting new people or entering a new social circle, you might find it better to ease into friendships to build trust and comfort. Understanding the contexts can help you apply the phrase accurately in your conversations. While ease into is fairly straightforward, the nuance lies in its emotional connotation. It often implies a sense of care, attention, and adjustment. When you tell someone to ease into a new phase of life, you're suggesting they take the time to get comfortable and acclimate to avoid stress or shock. When not to use ease into. It's important to note that ease into is not suitable for situations that require immediate action or abrupt changes. It implies a deliberate pace. That's a wrap on the phrase, ease into. We hope you now feel confident using this phrase in your everyday English. Remember, it's all about taking things slow and steady. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep practicing, and soon you'll find yourself easing into English fluency with ease.